Welcome to my channel Daily English. Improve your vocabulary. Vocabulary words related to smell. Smell. Odor. That cake smells good. She leaned over and smelled the flower. Scent. Particular odor. The flower has a wonderful scent. The dog followed the fox scent. Aroma. Unusual, pleasant or savory smell. The coffee has a strong aroma. The wine had a chocolate-like aroma. Perfumed. Sweet and pleasant smell. She opened the perfumed envelope. The air is perfumed with rose flower. Nauseating smell. Cause nausea. Your kitchen garbage can be nauseating after one day. TV news can be pretty nauseating at times. Savory aroma. Pleasing to the sense of taste and smell. I felt savory aroma as I entered the house. Children enjoyed the savory aroma of barbecue. Fragrant, sweet smell. She perfumed her bath with fragrant oil. The air in the garden is warm and fragrant. Earthy smell. Smell having characteristics of earth. The room had clean earthy smell of wet clay. There was no fresh earthy smell in the air. Fruity smell. Smell like fruit. The wine has fruity smell. The flesh is white with fruity smell similar to apples. Smoky smell. Smoke like. The air smells smoky. Smoke smell often feels good. Leathery smell. Smell like leather. The original leather articles have leathery smell. Sting. To smell very unpleasant. Get away from me. Your breath stinks.